dodging butterflies on a motorbike.
Japan, picking up the garbage on the way because we can do our part to clean the earth. You know I am a friend. Met a couple local on the way who liked this jam while they swam. We were cruising, volume up. We were moving white sand, so we stopped. I got out, dap dap damn. Didn't know the yoga got down like that. Pointed to a cave that was underwater. Scuba gear on as we started to descend. Just a little further, man, these ancient ruins are the best. Humans never found them and we treat them with respect. Mind blown at what we discovered. Orca City in the water made of pearls, shiny, awesome. Saw a mermaid wearing nothing, blowing bubbles out of something. So much life, city bustling. Can't believe this is undiscovered. Believe this is undiscovered. But I'm with this, know that y'all are with this. Everybody is a witness, really just did this. Look at the digit, obvious we winning, grinning, swimming, living, loving, rubbing, hugging, tugging, plugging something in abundance. Country grubbing, banana muffin. Oh, I love it, got me coming super fast. You love that, back to loving, how about that? If you love it, then I love it. That's just something, no discussion. Change it up with orca plunges. Dozen, by the million, by the trillion, for the children, by the zillion, for the villains. Change it how I'm here to listen. I got a vision, but it's a mission. You're gonna need a lot of stitches. It's okay, I'm riding with you. Take my hand, subconscious wisdom written down for all the witness. Heavenism, optimism, optimal flow. GPM's mode. If you know, you know. It's aligned with divine. Look inside, kid, I know you'll find it. Dum 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 dum. This vibrance, it is aligned with. I said this. This vibrance, it is aligned with. Divineness, divineness. I said this. This vibrance, it is aligned with divineness. Everything in life got a purpose. Even when it's feeling like a circus, God working. If you're hurting, that's growth, I'm certain. If everything working, ride that wave, keep twerking. It's a mindset, gotta find it. Look inside, kid, you'll find it. Let your vibrance be your sidekick. Tell Drake you don't really need a side chick. Tell God that you're ready for your highness. In the meantime, fill your heart with kindness. Spread joy, cause heaven is timeless. And if you with us, know you're rocking with the finest. This vibrance, it is aligned with, I said this vibrance, it's aligned with divineness, divineness, I said this vibrance, it's aligned with divineness.
So what we gotta do is to remind ourselves to become the alchemist. This powerful way of transforming the energy, regardless of what's happening out there. I will not allow it to affect my inner peace. This is how we move everything back together. Something beautiful is coming, this I know. So go back home and sit up on your throne. Plant some seeds and watch them grow. Let the love inside you guide you when you wanna know where to go. Roaming through the Roman history that's on repeat. Just look at historical Germany and all the currencies, and you will see that us today are doing the same. But I am here to say we got time to change the game we're playing. I'm just saying we got a chance to change the path we're on. We are so strong, so healthy, so wise, so wealthy. So tell me, do you wanna repeat history or break the cycle with me? 'Cause something beautiful is coming, this I know. This I know. Together we will manifest our perfect home. Perfect home. Something beautiful is coming, this I know. This I know. Together we will manifest our perfect home.
Stop going to places not meant for you, that don't nurture your soul. Stop hanging around people who don't bring you anything but drama, gossip, heartache. Surround yourself with people who make you feel like sunlight. Something good's gonna come out of all this. Surround yourself with people who make you feel like sunlight. Deep divers energy is contagious.
Something beautiful is coming, this I know. So I'm going to the sea to sing about what you already know. You already know, down deep inside, that life is about to blow your mind. It's time you find a light, you shine and ride the wave. The galaxy's a masterpiece with tendencies to open things and grow some peace. The ecstasy between you and me is so much more that it can be. Do you wanna see what that is? Writing from ancient time will make you think we planned this, and maybe we did. Psychedelic train of thought. I go cuckoo from the caboose about new ways to do what we used to. What is this true? I don't know. I said do, yeah I know. But what I do know is that something beautiful is coming, that's for sure. It's time we manifest our perfect home. Slow motion inside. Many people don't want things to fall apart, but when things fall apart, you become incredibly wise. So therefore, instead of looking at things falling apart around you as a bad thing, or in your life, see them as your greatest lesson.
Bali was really good to me. I'm very grateful for the land here, for all the people I met, the adventures, mountaintops and ocean floors, and dodging butterflies on the motorbike, the fruit, the surf, and the people. Again, yeah, let me just reiterate that. That was really special. And it was just a taste of Indonesia. Indonesia is like the sea and the volcanoes meet in this majesty of beauty, and I just can only imagine spending years exploring the islands around here. So, and special shout out to Nusa Penida, Lembongan, and Ceningan. Yeah, and the gelato here's been bomb. Off to Thailand.
Life only gets better when you get better. Repeat. only get